Number 1 is never be alone with the opposite sex, whether in the car or in a room. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo tatamaan ng mali siya. Alam mo yun? Sometimes it just happens. Nagkakamali siya ka. Huwag nating i-assume na ganun tayo ka-strong. Let's not play with fire. Yung mga pagsabay-sabay pa uwi, simple lunch together, being alone in a room. Huwag na nating bigyan ng pagkakataon na from there magkaroon pa ng something. Nip it in the bud. Or wag na, kahit nga walang bud wag na nating bigyan ng fertile ground ang kaaway para maghasik ng seeds of infidelity. It may be extreme for others, but those little meeting, those little lunches become frequent, hatid-hatid sa bahay. Hindi ko na iti-take yung chance na ma-develop pa into something. Never be alone with the opposite sex. I'm sure pag ginawa mo to, ma-appreciate din yun ng asawa mo. Kahit pa si kumpare yung kasama mo.